The moment Fenton Rood first became interested in garbage was during a field trip to the Tulsa landfill with his Edison High School English class. He says what he noticed almost immediately was all of the useful stuff that was just getting wasted. This epiphany happened at around the very same time as the first Earth Day, and if you know Fenton, I think you can see where this is headed. By the time young Fenton headed off to OU, he'd already created a network of recycling centers, using his own Datsun pickup to deliver glass to the Sand Springs glass plant. While at OU, our new environmental activist helped organize a Sierra Club chapter and became its first chairperson. Fenton's focus was still recycling, and once again, he was the go-to guy, designing collection systems, educating people about recycling, and hauling paper and glass off to markets in Ada in the old Datsun. As a member of Beta Theta Pi fraternity, Fenton involved his fraternity brothers in recycling and educated them on other environmental concerns. One of those frat brothers was Mike Sinar, a future Oklahoma congressman. Those two would work together again. Don't think that all of his college days were consumed with recycling. When he graduated in 1975, Fenton had earned a bachelor's degree in geography and an MPH in environmental science. His first real job out of college was in state government, at Tourism and Recreation briefly, and then he moved to the then Oklahoma Health Department, which became the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality. He currently serves as its Director of Waste Systems Planning. In the capacity of Senior Manager of Regulatory Programs for Solid and Hazardous Waste Management, Fenton played a significant role in the development of the state's superfund program. In fact, in the early 80s, he became the go-to guy for the late Congressman Mike Sinar, as the state and federal government tackled the largest public works project ever pursued in the United States, the remediation of the Tar Creek mining area. Fenton noted that during the early days of Tar Creek, if his phone rang at home before 7 a.m., he just answered, "Good morning, Mike." Remediation continues on the Tar Creek site to this day. In addition to his position at the DEQ, Rood is an adjunct faculty member in OU's departments of Geography, Civil Engineering, and Environmental Science. Just for good measure, Fenton is also a lead faculty member for the University of Phoenix. You might think that a guy this busy and this responsible probably has no time for a family. Quite the opposite. Fenton met his wife Tempe in the early 70s, and they've been together ever since, both with strong convictions about the environment and social well-being. Fenton walks the walk in his everyday life. He's still an active member of the Sierra Club, and he and Tempe seem to have passed on their environmental activism to their young daughter, Shanti, a student at Belle Isle Middle School. And yes, she recycles. When he was told about Fenton's KOB award, Steve Thompson, executive director of the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality, said, "I truly can think of no one more deserving of being honored for long-standing, unwavering dedication to the preservation and betterment of Oklahoma's environment than Fenton." At DEQ, we are justifiably very proud of Fenton and his outstanding contributions to the state of Oklahoma. Fenton Rood is truly a happy man, making his passions his life's work. He is trusted, he is respected, and he continues to be almost everybody's very approachable go-to guy. Ladies and gentlemen, show your appreciation for Oklahoma's go-to guy for the environment, Mr. Fenton Rood.